Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to recover deleted YouTube videos or how to recover permanently deleted YouTube videos. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted YouTube videos when you accidentally delete or lose your YouTube videos, in this you can easily recover or restore your deleted YouTube videos. So let's see how to do that. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open your Google Chrome. So first of all, you can choose and select YouTube. After that, open YouTube, and remember in this you can enable or turn on YouTube desktop mode. So first of all, open YouTube. In this you can easily recover or restore deleted YouTube videos. So let's see. After that, you can see right top corner, click here. After that, choose and select Google account, click here. You can see home, personal info, data and privacy, security. So in this you can choose and select data and privacy, click on it. After that, scroll down. You can see download or delete your data, download your data, make a copy of your data to back it up. So instead you can choose and select download your data, click here. In this time you can easily recover or restore your deleted YouTube videos. So let's see, scroll down. First of all, you can see deselect all. So in this time you can choose deselect all, click here. After that, scroll down. You can see YouTube and YouTube Music, watch and search history, videos, comments and other content that you have created on YouTube and YouTube Music. So instead you can choose and select this option. After that, click here. After that, you can choose next step, click here. Scroll down. You can see destination, transfer to, send, download, link by email. So open it. I can choose first option, send, download, link via email, click on it. About how to locate, access and share your data, scroll down. Frequency, export on one export. After that, second option, export every 2 months for 1 year, 6 exports. So instead I can choose second option, export every 2 months for 1 year, 6 exports. So in this here, click on it. After that, you can see create export, click on it. 2 products, your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So minimize it and go to your Gmail. You can see Google take out your Google data is ready to download. So open it. You can see download 1 of 2. After that, download 2 of 2. So first of all, you can choose and select download 1 of 2. Click on it. Choose download, click on it. After that, choose open. Click here. This time I can choose my files. After that, choose extract. Click on it. Choose extract. Take out, open it. YouTube and YouTube Music, open it. And in this here you can see you recover or restore deleted videos in this here. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted videos or recover or restore your permanently deleted videos. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.